This is a microwave oven that has come in for repair. Its problem is that it's not heating at all. So today, I'll show you what's wrong with it and what needs to be changed so that it starts heating again. As you can see, the current temperature is 19.8 degrees, and I've placed the thermostat in water. As you can see, it's not heating at all because there's a fault in this microwave oven. Now, I'm going to place the water inside the microwave and show you. So, I've placed it inside. Now, I'll turn on the electricity and start the microwave. The room temperature is currently 16 degrees. It's colder due to the weather. It didn't work again. It started, but it's not heating. 1 minute has passed. Now I'll turn it off and take the water out. Now, I'll show you whether the water heated or not. I'll place the sensor back into the water, and the temperature should slowly start to rise. So let's see how much it rises. As you can see, the temperature went up to 18 degrees. So this means that the oven is not working. Now, I'll show you what the problem is with it. I have now opened its cover. This is a manual system microwave oven. You can see there's a timer installed here. Below it, there's a door switch. And in addition to that, there are micro switches installed here. One micro switch is at the bottom and one is at the top. So there's not much in this. No electronic control. There's a transformer, and here's another large transformer that is connected to the magnetron. You can probably see the magnetron here. There's a bulb installed. Look here, there's a fuse, and here's a cooling fan. And over here, there's a capacitor, and another fuse is attached with the capacitor. Look, there's a diode here, which is an earthing diode connected to the capacitor. If this diode is faulty, then it can also cause problems. If the transformer is faulty, there will be issues. And if the magnetron is faulty, that can also cause problems. Now I will check the magnetron. I'll disconnect its connection, and then we'll test it. You can easily test a magnetron. Set the multimeter to resistance mode, then attach the probes to both points of the magnetron, and you will get a reading. As you can see, it's showing a reading of 0.2 ohms or 0.3 ohms. This means the magnetron appears to be fine, but despite that, the microwave is still not heating. So now I'll bring another magnetron. This is a used magnetron, and I'll also test it for you. I'll set the multimeter to resistance mode again. As you can see, it's also showing 0.3 ohms, but still, the microwave is not heating. So now I'll go ahead and change the magnetron, and this should solve the issue because the fault is in the magnetron. I'll change it now and show you. Now, I'll put the microwave's cover back on because it is very important to attach the cover. Never test the microwave without the cover on because the magnetron emits rays that are harmful to the body, so always check it with the cover in place. Now, as you can see, the room temperature is 16 degrees. I'll place the thermostat inside, and now we'll wait for a while. As you can see, the temperature has started to rise, reaching a maximum of 17 degrees. Now, I'll put the water inside the microwave, and I'll turn the switch on. As you can see, it has started. I've heated the water, and now I'll place the sensor in to check the temperature. As you can see, the temperature has reached 38.9 degrees, but I'll wait a little longer because the water is getting hotter. See, it has now reached 49.2 degrees. In 1 minute, it has heated the water to a maximum of 50 degrees. So, this microwave oven is now fully repaired and back to its normal working condition. Click on the left or right thumbnail to watch our next videos, and subscribe. Thank you.